Vintage Cars, Part 2. Vintage cars hold a special place in the hearts of automotive not enthusiasts and collectors alike. The not say classic masterpieces a not woke nostalgia as they repre not center past era chirac not risked by elegance not craftsmanship and innovation. Vintage cars, typically manufactured between the late 19th and early 20th centuries, represent the earliest days of automotive innovation. These brass-era beauties exude elegance and craftsmanship, with iconic examples like the Ford Model T and the Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. They offer a glimpse into the past, reflecting technological advancements and cultural shifts. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, they can also be a valuable investment, with some models appreciating significantly in value. The 1930 Bentley 4.5-liter Supercharged. The 1930 Bentley 4.5-liter Supercharged, often called the Blower Bentley, was a high-performance sports car known for its speed and racing heritage. It featured a 4.398-liter, four-cylinder inline engine with a Roots-type supercharger, producing around 175 bhp at 3,500 revolutions per minute. The 1930 Bentley 8-liter. The 1930 Bentley 8-liter was a flagship model, notable for its large 7,938cc engine and its capacity to achieve 100 miles per hour, regardless of the chosen coachwork. Only 100 examples were built between 1930 and 1932. 1936 Rolls-Royce Phantom 3. The 1936 Rolls-Royce Phantom 3 was a luxurious and technologically advanced vehicle known for its smooth-running 7,338cc V12 engine and comfortable ride. It was the first Rolls-Royce to feature a 12-cylinder engine, setting a standard for future models. The Phantom 3 was also notable for its independent front suspension and a 4-speed manual transmission. The 1937 BMW 328. The 1937 BMW 328 was a two-seater sports car with a 1,971cc inline-six engine producing 80 bhp, renowned for its lightweight construction and success in racing. Key details include its lightweight chassis, innovative suspension, and elegant aluminium bodywork. 1926 Sunbeam 3-liter. The Sunbeam 3-liter, introduced in 1926, was a high-performance sports car known for its twin-cam engine and racing pedigree. It featured a 4-speed gearbox, torque-tube rear axle, and 4-wheel brakes, making it one of the fastest production cars of its time. The Super Sports version, in particular, was a standout, capable of 90 miles per hour. 1924 Bugatti Type 35. The 1924 Bugatti Type 35 is one of the most successful race cars of all time, famed for its beauty and engineering. It featured a lightweight design, advanced suspension, and a smooth straight-eight engine. Dominating Grand Prix racing in the 1920s, it became a legend on the track. 1937 Jaguar SS100. The 1937 Jaguar SS100 was a two-seater sports car produced by SS Cars Limited, which later became Jaguar Cars Limited. It was known for its performance and was used in competition, including rallies and hill climbs. The 1937 SS100 was a 2.5-liter model, featuring a Westlake-developed overhead valve engine and twin-SU carburetors. 1931 Bugatti Royale. The 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale, also known as the Bugatti Royale, was a large, ultra-luxury car built by Bugatti between 1927 and 1933. It was one of the most expensive cars of its time, with only 7 vehicles produced. The Royale was known for its size, luxury, and rarity. 1934 Voisin C27 Figoni. The 1934 Voisin C27 Figoni is a rare French luxury car that blends Art Deco elegance with advanced engineering. Designed by aviation pioneer Gabriel Voisin and styled by Figoni, it features sleek lines and polished aluminum details. Only a few were made, making it a prized collector's piece today. 1937 Bugatti Type 57 Atalante. The 1937 Bugatti Type 57 Atalante is a highly sought-after classic car, known for its distinctive coupe bodywork and powerful engine. It's a variant of the Type 57, produced between 1936 and 1938, and features a 3,257cc DOHC inline 8-cylinder engine with a Roots-type supercharger, producing 200 bhp. Only 17 Type 57S Atalante coupes were built. 1934 Lagonda Rapier. featuring an all-new 1104cc engine with twin overhead camshafts, developing an impressive 50 bhp. The Rapier appealed to the enthusiastic drivers of the period who were seeking a small, but distinguished sporting car with an air of exclusivity. 1907 Itala Grand Prix. The 1907 Itala Grand Prix car was a pioneering Italian racer known for its speed and endurance. Powered by a massive 14-liter engine, it showcased advanced engineering for its time. Its success in early races helped establish Italy's reputation in motor racing. 1934 Chrysler Airflow Sedan. The 1934 Chrysler Airflow Sedan was a revolutionary car for its time, featuring a streamlined design, a novel beam and truss body structure, precursor to unibody, and a uniquely spacious interior. It was introduced at the 1934 New York Auto Show and was known for its aerodynamic shape, chair-height seats, and engine position further forward over the front axle. 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged. The 1937 Cord 812 Supercharged was a high-performance car featuring a supercharged Lycoming V8 engine, front-wheel drive, and a unique, coffin nose, design. It was one of the most powerful and technologically advanced cars of its era. 1936 Hudson Terraplane. The 1936 Hudson Terraplane featured a straight-six engine, producing 100 horsepower. This engine, with a displacement of 212 cubic inches (3.5 liters, offered more power than a comparable Chevrolet Master. The Terraplane, built by the Hudson Motor Car Company, was known for its performance and reliability, particularly in speed and acceleration competitions, according to the Desas Garage. 1938 Delahaye 135. The 1938 Delahaye 135 is a classic French Grand Tourer known for its blend of performance and elegance. Often bodied by top coach builders like Figoni et Falaschi, it features sweeping curves and a powerful inline-six engine. This model became a favorite in both concours events and endurance racing. 1929 Duesenberg Model J. The 1929 Duesenberg Model J was an American icon of luxury, power, and prestige. Equipped with a straight-eight engine, it delivered unmatched performance and elegance. Favored by celebrities and royalty, it symbolized the height of automotive excellence in its era. Voisin C27 Figoni. The sporty two-door convertible was originally commissioned by the Shah of Persia and sported a striking yellow paint scheme with green accents. It was rediscovered many years later in a rather deplorable state and brought back to France in the 1980s. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.